This is the real story of 19-year-old Win Rozario, as seen through the eyes of police body cams. March 27, 2024, Queens, New York. NYPD officers respond to a 911 call about a mental health crisis. Win himself had called for help. When officers arrive, his younger brother meets them at the door. He tells them, Win is in distress. He's not okay mentally. And his mother is inside with him. What happens next will unfold in just a few minutes and end in tragedy. This video contains real footage and is intended solely for educational and public awareness purposes. We do not promote violence or glorify any action seen here.
What's up, man? Did you call? Robbie did? Yeah. On who?
Himself.
He called on himself? What's going on with him?
He's having an episode.
What kind of episode?
Like,
Is he a bipolar schizo? Like,
nah, like, he just,
so what kind of episodes? Yeah.
basically, like, he was just going crazy. Like, he don't even know what he's doing, to be honest with you. Like, you guys,
How old's your brother?
he's 19.
How old are you?
I'm 17.
Where's your dad?
He's not home. He's at work.
So who did I speak to on the phone?
I think it was my mom.
No, I spoke to a guy.
That was my brother.
He called on himself?
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying.
Did you take anything?
I don't think so.
High on drugs?
I don't believe so.
Is he diagnosed with anything?
I'm not sure.
Alright. Oh, you told him second floor? Hello. What's up, pal?
আমরা তো মনে করছি সে ভালোই হয়ে গেছে কিন্তু কেন তো সে আবার এরকম করতেছে
Anybody else in the house?
No.
আচ্ছা ওই
Yo, yo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let him go. Let go of him and back up. Let go of him. Nick!
Please don't shoot my mother.
We're not. Tell him to get the fuck out of the way. Get out of the way. Now. Now. Get away from him. Miss.
Please do not shoot my mother.
I'm not going to, but
Please do not.
don't. Sergio, get me another call over here real quick. Miss, get away. Get away.
You arrest but not shoot. Don't shoot.
Get out of the way.
Don't shoot.
Get down. Get down. Get no, shoot him. Get down there. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way.
Please do not shoot my mom.
Get her out of the way.
I'm so sorry.
Get her out of the way now. No, no, no. Satchel, get in the car. Put it down.
Paramedics arrive, but it's too late. Win Rozario is pronounced dead at the hospital. A pair of scissors is recovered at the scene. His family, devastated, calls the shooting cold-blooded. They believe this was not just a failure. It was a system that escalated instead of helping. The officers involved have been placed on modified duty. The New York Attorney General's office has launched an official investigation. This video is not about blame. It's about learning. It's about asking, what could have been done differently? Could a mental health professional have made a difference? Could de-escalation have saved a life? As a society, we must do better for those in crisis. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, don't wait. Reach out. Help is available. Drop your thoughts below. Your voice matters.